is that, like he said, truth without love is brutality. Love without truth is pretense. You can't love someone without telling the truth. And you can't tell someone truth without showing love. Any of the two you do without the other one is gonna go the other way around. Exactly. So we have succeededly and consistently we have consistently and steadily show them truth and love. That is why we don't preach war. That's why we don't preach violence. Like the case of Vise Luku, watch my video, I was saying, no, this is not about war. Even many times I've told people that we are not making videos to create enemies, but we still want to set the record straight.
Exactly. And then if that record that we are setting straight will bring us enemies,
we test it, exactly. But because he that wants to make a peace must also prepare for war. Exactly. That's how it's been said. But we are not intentionally creating the post because I think we are enemies. Just that because we will not say truth will set us free. Let's say the truth. Let you be free. Let me be free. It is only when we accept the lie, and it was the lie that are keeping Nigeria where it is to today. Because the foundation of this country has been built on lies.
Yes.
And they metaphors it from the leadership of tradition to politics. And today they still got. If you lie one lie, you will use 1,000 lies to cover the lie. As day goes on, they keep covering the lie, and they still want Nigeria to move forward. So I keep telling them that the reason why we are making videos is for people to know the truth of the event, and everybody can now live peaceably. Because when you know the truth, they say, only go cambo. You know it and no peace.
When two brothers fight dirty, when two brothers fight to the death, the enemy creeps in. The enemy come aim to devour them, to destroy them. This is my message to Igbo. It is time to keep your house in order. Put your house in order, Igbo. Stop fighting each other. Christian asikwa Christian asi, ordinal asi, ndiru nka ọzọ. Faction asikwa faction asi, infiltration asikwa infiltration asi, politics asi, PDP asi, APC asikwa ha. It is time to put your house in order, else you all are destroyed, else you all are perished, else you all will have no home to call yours. Igbo, time to rise, time to reclaim that which you have lost. This is my message. Thank you, and God bless.
Wait, did your mother give you the nickname Buju?
Achuaya. Achu dreaded. Yes, I.
Yeah. How did this happen?
I wasn't there. I was a baby.
Oh, they just stopped calling you Buju.
I wasn't there. I was the baby.
Yeah, okay,
I was there, but I wasn't aware.
Okay.
You know, but I grew up here and I'm calling man Buju, you know. Now, Buju is a maroon word.
A maroon?
Maroon. No, maroon are some of the indigenous warriors on my island. We fought the British relentlessly.
Those are the Moors?
Maroons are from, they're called Blackamoors, but my generation originated from Nigeria. I'm an Igbo man according to my bloodline. And we fought the British relentlessly. We fought King Charles for 40 years, and according to the British treaty, anybody sustain a war over 80 years automatically win them sovereignty. So we
Anya we do, let me see that very clearly. Anya we do now.
Yeah, Anya we do it.
Yes,
Anya we do it. On the movie, the motor? Yes. Anya very good.
Yes.
Okay.
I will change now. This is my uncle. Also an onion.
Okay. Agbara ahụrụ gbuo ọkụkọ. Yes, we are the I will ndị agbara ọhụrụ na-arụtụ aka na ihe ochie mee ka ihe ochie dịkwa ọhụrụ ka ndị ọhụrụ hụ na ihe ochie na ike dị ya na that is the beauty of an Igbo man. That is the real worth of an Igbo man. Ihe ọ na-eme taa nwanne m ụwa niile ga-anụ. And everybody, a lot of people will be encouraged by what we are doing today. So I'm with you. I'm with you.
Thank you.
I'm with you.
Thank you, my chief.
Thank you.
I'm impressed.
Thank you.